Hey guys, I'm at Quay next to Singapore River. I'm feeling like eating something Mexican and Indian. I'm heading to Patros on the Quay. Beautiful ambience, great riverside, good food. Come, let's go and check out Patros on Quay. Wow! It's amazing fajita. It's got the tomato sauce, sour cream, avocados, lot of veggies tossed in the sizzler style. Now I'm going to taste the quesadillas. Delicious is the word for this. It was amazing Mexican food. You know, I've had Mexican food in a couple of places, but